Okay, now it's ready. There you go. It comes in a neat little box with a gift card. Apparently this is a $100 gift card. That's pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna use it up. So let's unwrap this. There you go. This is 1 troy ounce of silver. It's a ITB, as in an international trade bar, and apparently it's accepted everywhere. It's 0.999 fine silver. So I believe I paid around $20 for this. And then here are 5 troy ounces of the very same international trade bars of silver, and it's actually pretty cool. You know, it's really heavy in my hand, and I can feel the weight of it. If I was ready to pay just a little bit more, maybe 6 times as much, I would have gotten 1 kilo of fine silver. But I guess I wasn't up to it, since this was my first investment. All in all, I believe I paid around $126 for both. This was around $100, 5 ounces of silver, and this was around $20. And I bought it when prices were pretty high, to be honest. Right now, gold and silver prices are at their all-time highs. Last week it was much more than what it is right now, but they're still pretty high. So it also comes with a certificate, a bill, and the bill has my address on it, and my name and address, and you know, this part has my address and my name, and there's a tracking number, and it says how much it is paid for. Like I said, $126. So the 1 Oz bar was for $21.22, and 5 Oz bar was for $105. So there was 0% tax. I'm surprised, because I believe they do charge tax in Florida. It's mandatory, but for some reason I think they're still working it out based on the new tax laws. And so there you go. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will also look to invest in your very own personal stash of metals, precious metals. Silver will appreciate in value, because from 2018 to the present, it's increased by almost 25%. It was around $15 last year, around the same time as now, and right now it is 19.17 or 97. So it's appreciated quite a bit, and I'm told that silver is the way to go. It's like the Litecoin of precious metals. It is definitely going to appreciate in value. So have a good evening, and keep an open mind, and always invest in your future. The best investment is in yourself. Bye.